Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gyanforexx. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, let's analyze gold for the upcoming week. So let's start with day 1 time frame as we do every time. So on day 1 time frame, we have already marked the selling level 2 weeks ago. So till now this level have not yet tapped, so we'll wait for this A plus selling level, so even you guys can mark this on your chart. Now if we check out 4-hour time frame, so on 4-hour time frame, this level can be a good support area, a good buying zone. So if the price comes till here, then we can wait for a retest and then we can plan a good buying entry on 4-hour time frame. But traders, if we use Fibonacci in this 4-hour time frame, then we can see a good support area somewhere over here. So let's mark this first on our chart. So let's mark this level. So this can be a good entry for a long trade. So I have marked this on my chart and let's remove this. Now let's move on to a smaller time frame. Okay, if we analyze gold on 1-hour time frame, then as you can see that I have marked this level. Now if price return from here, if price return to this zone, then we can watch for a weak rejection or a bearish engulfing to go for a short again from here. But if it breaks above this level, then this zone becomes invalid and we can look for a buying on retest. So if it goes here and it breaks this zone, so on retest, when it comes back, then we can plan a long in gold over here. Now traders, if we check out 15-minute time frame, after this drop we took a sell in gold on Friday. So after this drop, price consolidated from here as you can see and is now forming a bullish structure with a higher low. Okay, now if the price breaks and sustain above 3345, it may retest. Now I'll explain you. Okay traders, if on 15 minutes time frame, if this level breaks, if price breaks this level and it sustain over here, then we can plan a short trade of buying in gold. So this is my overall view on gold. So on short time frame, on smaller time frame, we can plan a buying in gold till here. So we can capture I guess approx 170 pips in gold. So at least not 170, but at least we can capture 140 to 150 pips in gold. So that was my view in gold. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, you can just comment below and see you in the next video.